word problems based on subtraction. Let us start. Here are some keywords of subtraction. Decrease by, minus, less, take away, left, remaining, how much left, rest, still left, how many more, difference, smaller than. We use all these keywords of subtraction to solve word problems. To solve the word problems, we use Rudolph's. To solve the word problems, RUFDS, Rudolph's. We use Rudolph's all these letters. Step by step, we use to solve the word problems. R. R means read and understand the questions. U. U means underline the information. F. F means find the keywords. D. D means decide the operation. S. S means solve the problems. Let us start. First example of word problems. In an election, out of 75,298 voters, only 50,176 casted their votes. How many did not cast their vote? In this question, total number of voters are 75,298 and casted their votes 50,176. Now, in finding how many did not cast their votes? In an election, out of 75,298 voters, 50,176 casted their votes and for finding did not cast their votes. So, here our keyword. Keyword is did not. Our keyword is did not. So, we do subtraction of this question. Now, okay. Okay. Now, let us start solution. In first step, we will be write here total number of voters. Total number of voters is 75,298. Next, we will be write number of voters casted their votes 50,176. Now, we will find the answer by subtraction. So, we write here number of voters did not cast their votes 75,298 minus 50,176. Because our number is 5-digit number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, we arrange place according to their digits. Ones, tens, 100, 1,000, 10,000. For subtraction, we arrange all digits according to their places, like ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. And now we subtract 8 minus 6. 2. 9 minus 7 is to 2. 2 minus 1 is 1. 5 minus 0, 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. After subtraction, we find 25,122. At last, we write answer. Therefore, 25,122 voters did not cast their votes. Next example is, if Mr. Malhotra spends rupees 18,946 to buy a fridge out of rupees 37,830, how much money is still left with Mr. Malhotra? In this question, we have Mr. Malhotra spent money to buy a fridge out of 37,830. So we underline total amount. Total amount of Mr. Malhotra is rupees 37,830 and he spent rupees 18,946 to buy a fridge. Now, after buying a fridge, how much money is still left? Money is still left. So, here our keyword is still left. Our keyword is still left. So, we do in this question subtraction. Start solution. First, we will write given information. Our given information is Mr. Malhotra had money, rupees 37,830, and he spends money to buy a fridge, rupees 18,946. Now we will find answer. Amount of money is still left with him. We subtracted 18,946 from 37,830. For subtraction, we arrange all digits according to their places. Ones, tens, hundred, thousand, 10,000. And now we subtract. We subtract 0 from 6, but this is not possible because 0 is smaller than 6. So we need borrow. We take away 1 from tens place and 0 place is become 10. 10 minus 6 is 4. Now, we subtract 2 from 4 from 2, but 2 is smaller than 4. So we take away 1 from hundreds place and 2 is become 12. Now we subtract 4 from 12. 12 minus 4 is 8. Now we subtract 9 from 7, but it is not possible. So we take away 1 from 10,000 thousands place. So 100 place become 17. 17 minus 9 is 8. Now we subtract 8 from 6. This is not possible. So we take away 1 from 10,000 place and 6 become 16. And now we subtract 8 from 16 is 8. And after that we subtract 1 from 2 is 1. Our number is 18,884. At last, we write answer. Therefore, rupees 18,884 is still left with Mr. Malhotra. Question number 3. It was found that out of 4,875 students in a school, 1,987 students are extremely brilliant and rest are average. Find the number of average students in the school. Total number of students in a school 4,875. 1,987 students are extremely brilliant and rest are average. Here we will find number of average students. In first step, for solution, we write total number of students in a school 4,875. Next, number of extremely brilliant students 1,987. And now we will find answer. Number of average students 4,875 minus 1,987. For subtracting, we arrange all digits according to their places. And now we subtract. We subtract 7 from 5, but 5 is smaller than 7. So we take 1 from tens place and 5 becomes 15. Now we subtract 7 from 15 is 8 and 7 becomes 6. So we take away 1 from 100 place and 6 becomes 16. Now we subtract 8 from 16 is 8. After that we subtract 9 from 7. It is also not possible. So we take away 1 from 1000 place and 7 becomes 17. Now we subtract 9 from 17 is 8. And after that we subtract 1 from 3 is 2. And at last we write answer. So 2,888 students are average in school. Fourth question. Fourth question. The distance between two stations is 2185 km. A man travels 1084 km by train and rest of journey by bus. What distance does the man covered by bus? We underline some information like distance between two stations is 2185. A man's travel by train. By train, he travels by train 1084 km and rest of journey by bus. What distance does the man cover by bus? So here we will find distance covered by bus. In solution, we will write in first step. Given information, the distance between two stations equal to 2185 km. A man travels by train 1084 km. And now we find answer. He travels by bus equal to 2185. We use here subtraction sign, and next 1000 we subtract 1084 km. So we arrange all digits of these numbers according to their places. After arranging the all digits, we subtract from one's place. 5 minus 4 is 1. 8 minus 8 is 0. 1 minus 0 is 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. And after that, we get a number 1101. And at last, we write here answer. Therefore, the man covered 1101 km by bus. Question number 5. There are rupees 15,785 in Divya's account. She leaves rupees 4,898 in her account and withdraw the rest. What amount did she withdraw? Amount of Divya's account is rupees 15,785 in Divya's account. She leaves amount rupees 4,898 in her account and withdraw the rest. What amount she did withdraw? Here we find amount did she withdraw. So, let us start solution. In first step, we write all given informations like total money in Divya's account is rupees 15,785. She leaves money in her account rupees 4,898. And after that we find she withdraws amount of money rupees 15,785 minus 4,898. For subtraction, we arrange all digits according to their places and we subtract it. We subtract 8 from 5, but it is not possible. So we take away 1 from 10's place and 5 becomes 15 and 8 becomes 7. Now we subtract 8 from 15 is 7 and 9. We subtract 9 from 7. It is not possible. So we take away 1 from 100 place and 7 becomes 17. Now we subtract 9 from 17 is 8 and we subtract 8 from 6. But it is not possible. So we take away 1 from 1000 place and 6 become 16 and we subtracted 8 from 16 is 8 and we subtract 4 from 4 is 0 and 1. We write 1 as it is and we get a number 10,887 and at last we write answer. Therefore, C withdraws rupees 10,887.